I'm John Robeson. I'm here with Ray Millette at Enfield Auto Restoration, and we're looking at the 1971 Iso Lele from the Bach collection. And Ray has made most of his life with bodywork in classic cars, and he'd like to show some points of originality in the body on this car.
So these are all spot welds. Is that a lot of times what you'll see is that we have a special spot welder that we bought so that we can create the spot welds. Is that along the quarter panels, and you can
see them there. See them on the bottoms of the rockers.
You can see them all on the bottoms of the quarter panels. Is that
and you see that roughness? You might think that roughness is sloppy, but that's actually where the spot welding machine, it's like got pincers like a crab, and it goes in there and it exerts force, and the electricity heats and melts the metal, and you get these dimples. And you know, you think when you look at something like this that it's rough and it's sloppy, and sometimes it's tempting. Now we could weld this with a MIG welder, we could weld it with a spot welder, and we could fill it in, and it would be smooth, but it wouldn't be authentic.
That's correct. Yes. Yep. The goal is to create authentic cars,
and that's what we're doing here.